No matter where your day takes you, there's always something truly special about coming back to a place you can truly call home. And in Houston, we're here to help you find that extraordinary student heaven. Introducing the 57 off Memorial Apartments, a gem among student accommodations, offering an impressive array of private and shared apartment options. Open the door to your bedroom and you'll be greeted by a cozy bed. Worried about high-speed internet, laundry, or trash pickup? Don't be. These essentials are included in the common amenities, along with a serene pool area to cool down at the end of the day. And when it's time to unleash your inner chef, a gourmet kitchen is all set for you to whip up the best meals of your life. And speaking of the location, both the University of Houston and Rice University are within a short 15-minute drive. Nestled close to Memorial City Mall, this property has numerous restaurants and endless entertainment options. Plus, with Memorial Dr. Asbury Station bus stop just down the street, and you'll be anywhere you want to be in no time. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to head home. Book your spot today at amberstudent.com and don't forget to have a whole lot of fun.